Hey friends, it's your girl Marica. Welcome back to Marica in the World, where we untangle the weird, wonderful, and sometimes wildly confusing world of relationships. Today's video is called Questions That Fix Your Love Life. Because let's be real, sometimes your love life isn't broken. It's just running on outdated settings, like an iPhone from 2013. Girl, it needs an upgrade. If you've ever sat there like, why does he shut down every time I cry? Or why do I feel clingy even when I'm loved? Buckle up, we're getting to the root of it with questions that actually change your connection. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out Marica's Market for t-shirts and hoodies and all things love and sanity saving. Why questions matter? Let's start with a fact. Most couples don't break up because they don't love each other. They break up because they don't understand each other. Not enough asking, too much assuming. Like, if they really cared, they just know. Girl, this ain't Hogwarts. Nobody is reading minds here. Healthy relationships are built through questions. Think of them as relationship vitamins. Take them regularly, or things get weak, tired, and cranky. Research shows that asking the right questions increases empathy, emotional safety, and long-term satisfaction. Yes, even that one dude who only texts WYD at 11 p.m. can learn to ask better questions. Self-reflective questions. Let's start with you. Because love doesn't begin with another person, it begins with knowing yourself. Here are a few self-reflective prompts that will fix your love life before someone else even walks in. Number 1, what do I need to feel emotionally safe in a relationship? Not just I want loyalty, but I need someone who listens without interrupting when I'm vulnerable. Number 2, how do I usually react when I feel ignored or unloved? Do you shut down? Do you get sarcastic? Go full FBI on their social media? Number 3, what relationship patterns do I keep repeating? Example, falling for emotionally unavailable partners or ghosting when things get real. Now it's time to journal these. Get honest. Awareness is the first step to real connection. Partner conversation starters. Now grab your boo or text them this video and say, let's talk tonight. Don't worry, it's not scary. It's just Marica. These questions are date night gold. Not small talk, not how was your day. We're going deeper. When do you feel most loved by me? If they say, when you bring me coffee, guess what? You just found a love language clue. What's one thing you wished we talked about more openly? Maybe it's money. Maybe it's intimacy. Or maybe it's your passive-aggressive group texts. When do you feel most secure? And when do you feel most unsure in our relationship? These questions build emotional intimacy, the sexy kind that lasts longer than a weekend trip. Game night questions. Make it fun. Next date night, grab some wine and take turns answering these lightning round questions. If we had $10,000 to spend on us, what would we do? What moment with me still makes you smile when you think about it? What scares you most about commitment? What would our ideal weekend look like? No budget, no work. I know what mine would be. These are not interrogations. They're playful get-to-know-you-again games. When things get stuck, sometimes, even with the right questions, it still feels stuck. Here's the trick. Ask with curiosity, not accusation. Don't say, why don't you ever open up to me? Cue defense mode. Instead say, I noticed you went quiet when I brought up that topic. Can you help me understand what you were feeling? That one tiny shift can open the door to connection instead of slamming it shut. So here's your love life homework. Pick 3 of today's questions and answer them in your journal. Then share at least one with someone you trust, partner, bestie, therapist, or even comment below. Remember, better questions equal better connection. You don't have to fix your whole love life tonight, but you can get closer by being curious, brave, and just a little bit nosy, in the best way. If this video made you laugh, cry, or nervously text your situationship, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who you think could use the information. And subscribe to Marica in the World. And check out Marica's Market for t-shirts, hoodies, and digital downloads that make love less confusing. Watch this next video to continue growing in your relationship. Until next time, ask better questions, love deeper, and never settle for someone who answers WYD with nothing. See you in the next video.